Assalamualaikum Doctor. We are from Management Information System Group 1. According to presentation sequence, our group members are Zuleka, Marina Khan, Nur Adlisa, Nur Marlia Shafika, and Tasnina Islam. We did our findings on Plus Malaysia Berhad, and the information system is SmartTAG system. General description of Plus Malaysia Berhad. Plus Malaysia Berhad (PMB) formed its legal corporation on 29 November 2010. Many other companies became the subsidiaries of PMB on 29 November 2011. The acquisition of all 5 highways was completed on 12 January 2012. The PMB building is located at Petaling Jaya, Selangor. The board of directors of PMB are experts in a wide range of skills, experience, and knowledge. Currently, there are 5 non-executive members and 1 executive member in PMB's board of directors. Khazanah Nasional has its 51% of shares through UEM, while 49% of shares owned by EPF board in PMB. Total number of PMB subsidiaries are 8 companies. There are many products, services, and even facilities are offered by Plus. The products are Plus Miles, it is a reward program for customers, and Plus Track, which is prepaid electronic cards for fleet subscribers with many benefits. As for services, there are Plus Ronda. This unit is given to Polis Diraja Malaysia for authority and power. Plus Line is a toll-free customer care line, and many other services like traffic monitoring center, customer service centers, reload land, and touch and go spots. Plus also offers many facilities such as rest and service areas, vista points, self-service kiosks, and many more. The vision statement of Plus is to be a premier expressway in the global arena, while the mission statement of the company is providing efficient and safe expressway network that enhance quality of life. Moving on to logo rationale, the double line that connected with Plus shows one dynamic flow, expressway, and gentleness. The fonts, which is Plus, looks are quite gentle as it shows that the organization is committed to customer needs and expectation. As the last for general description of Plus, employees and employee code of conduct. Plus have more than 2,500 employees. Plus is conducting Employee Code of Conduct, the COC. The COC contains policies and guidelines related to standards and work ethics to maintain discipline and promote harmony in the workplace.
General description of SmartTAG system. The SmartTAG system is an automated payment system for toll network, and it is built to complement the touch and go system. The function of the SmartTAG system is to firstly, the SmartTAG system allows drivers to pay toll without having to stop their vehicle. The infrared communication built in it communicates with the receivers located at the ceiling of the plaza toll. And secondly, it prevents traffic congestion. The use of touch and go card with the SmartTAG reader increase the speed of toll payment because the drivers do not have to search for cash. The SmartTAG system uses the electronic toll collection system. The ETC uses the Automatic Vehicle Identification System (AVI) and charges the toll amount automatically. It provides high accuracy and low collection costs and determine whether vehicles that passes through are registered or not, and it can handle up to 1,200 vehicles per hour. The SmartTAG system is owned by Teras Technologies Sdn Berhad, subsidiary under Plus, which specializes in installations, design, supply, development, and etc. The company provides cost-effective, locally supported, and reliable ETC system. The end users of the system are drivers who use the SmartTAG lane at the plaza tolls. For the closed highway system, the users are required to collect the transit ticket when entering the highway and return the ticket upon exit. And whereas for the open highway system, the users are only required to pay the toll fee upon entering the toll plaza and no ticket is issued. So the users of SmartTAG for both the highway systems are only required to drive through the SmartTAG lane, and toll fee will be charged automatically. So the technical support for SmartTAG system is provided by Teras Control Systems Sdn Berhad, a subsidiary under Teras Technology. They provide support in supply, installation, and maintenance of the toll system. Secondly, technical support is also provided by the Malaysian Highway Authority (MHA). Technical advice is provided by the Department of Expert Service of MHA for the SmartTAG system.
IT components of SmartTAG system. The first IT component is hardware. In SmartTAG system, there is IS transceiver as the processor which function to read the data from the touch and go card and do some arithmetic operation of the credit and update the data to the smart card. Next, the input device in SmartTAG system are SmartTAG onboard unit and IS controller. The SmartTAG onboard unit is function to read the touch and go card and transmit the data. The IS controller is function as interface to link the IS transceiver with LAN computer system for data transmission. Okay, for storage device, touch and go card is function to store data which can be read and written using specified radio frequency. Meanwhile, the LAN computer that placed at the toll LAN receive data from IS controller. Then the data collected will be transferred to Plaza computer system and then transferred to HQ computer system. Okay, so this is the example of touch and go card and LAN computer. Output device consists of automatic LAN barrier and toll-free display. The barrier is function to either allow or block vehicles by receiving information from IS transceiver. Meanwhile, the toll-free display is receiving information from IS controller about the balance amount in the smart card. The information will be displayed on the screen. Next, software. The electronic toll collection system is used to record the toll transaction, including the time, date, plaza, and toll charge of each vehicle. To improve the system, Microsoft Azure has been applied to tackle the server capacity and is assisted by Azure Key Vault to safeguard the data on cloud system. Touch and Go card and LAN computer is considered as database in SmartTAG system. I have mentioned the function of them in previous slide. So additional information here is that the LAN computer is using Oracle and MySQL for its database system. Next, telecommunication network, where for SmartTAG system, local area network, LAN and wide area network 1 are involved. So this is the diagram of local area network of SmartTAG system, where the structure or the topology of the network is based on star network. It means all network devices are connected to one another through a single central hub node, which is the LAN computer.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm going to proceed with the business process of the information system. Okay, so this is the value change diagram, which is we have the administration and management, human resource, technology, procurement, inbound logistics, operations, sales and marketing, service, and the last one is outbound logistics. Activities of Plus in administration and management, they do manage, finance, and plan. For the toll collection system by cash is done by the human resource of Plus. The technology involved is electronic payment system, which is one of it is SmartTAG system itself. And last but not least, for the procurement is toll collection. Okay, next, for the primary activities of Plus in inbound logistics, Plus have Plus miles and Plus track. For the operation, Plus have Plus ronda, traffic monitoring, reload lanes, handling emergency, and handling toll and payment. For sales and marketing, Plus have provide discount, selling touch and go card, and display information on website and banner to attract customer. And for the service, Plus have customer service centers and Plus line, which is 1-800-880000. And last but not least is outbound logistics. Plus have Plus ronda, which is toll. Moving on to the sourcing and procurement systems to customer relationship management system. First is strategies created by Plus. Next, Plus framework. Next, the process involved in the activities. Next, their financing products, which is the toll. And last but not least is the customer who pay the toll to easier and continue their journey. Okay, next, how SmartTAG system help Plus. Okay, SmartTAG system help Plus in Plus operations part, which is, as we know, SmartTAG is the onboard unit device. The function of SmartTAG is help Plus to easy their daily activities and help in reducing the human resource. This SmartTAG help plus reduce their cost and time also, because SmartTAG is mount to windscreen with bracket, use infrared signal to be detected at toll lanes, which is very easy, and also it can be used with any vehicle, and last but not least, it works with touch and go card upon insertion.
Assalamualaikum doctor. My name is Tasrina Islam and today I am going to present about the types of security threats faced by the system. The first one is sniffing. When an unauthorized reader can read a tag and record an information that may be sensitive and confidential is known as sniffing. The second one is spoofing. In this case, the attackers not only records a data transmission from a legitimate tag but also copy the original tag's ID and make itself appear to be valid. The third one is cloning. Tag cloning is a process that first captures the data from a legitimate tag and then creates an unauthorized copy of the captured sample. The fourth one is replay. When valid data transmission is fraudulently delayed or repeated, it's carried out by an adversary who retransmits the data and intercepts. The last one is denial of service attacks. It means the attackers disrupts the normal service of SmartTAG system. Now let's look at the solution. The first one is basic access control. The reader must supply a specific key before the tag will reveal any personal information. The second one is one-sided encryption. This one provides very high level of security because only the reader takes part in the encryption of a tag. The third one is mutual authentication. This method prevents anyone from stealing the data through sniffing, as this ensures the authenticity of the device at the other end of the channel. The fourth one is log password. If a log password of 32-bit is transmitted before a tag transmits its data, then skimmers will be unable to access the data as they cannot provide password. The last one is check the security and integrity of exchange messages, as encrypted messages scheme cannot protect the system fully. Now let's look at the ethical, legal and social issues. The first one is violation of privacy, as the unauthorized reader can obtain the information, so it violates one's privacy. The second one is as system errors happens, so failure of identification can occur. Also, the users can be at the risk of being overcharged. The third one is unauthorized access of information. Since the hackers can get the data of the users, they can use the data for their personal gain and it can be risky for the security purpose. The last one is tracking the user's location information. A person's current location and past movement can be traced through the system, which is definitely a privacy threat. Now let's look at the solution. First one is if computer related waste and mistake is prevented, systematic error can be reduced. The second one is ensuring good environment, and for that professional support system, collaboration system, customer relationship management should be ensured so that productivity and efficiency can increase. The third one is for handling the social issues, code of ethics must be followed very strictly. The last one is strict corporate privacy policies must be followed to protect the privacy of the users.
That's all information system of SmartTAG plus Malaysia Berhad. Thank you.